In the list view, you have a list of customers, and we're going to click on the customer ID to see a card view. The card view has very similar aspects to the list view. There is an action bar that is specific to the type of card that we are viewing. For example, customers bar will be different to a vendor or an item. Off this action bar, we have a few things that are really important that sometimes are missed by customers. Although predominantly the action bar and the action menus for new documents, approvals, requesting, request approval, pricing and discounts, navigation, and then the customer. Most customers will think when using Business Central that this is all they need to use, and I would argue that a lot of the time we use the actions menu to get further into detail or related customer, ship to addresses or contacts. So the action menu is utilized a lot for navigation throughout the card view. Below the action bar, there is tabs or pins, which we refer them to. All of the data is grouped together in common subjects or common types of data. So general information is available under the General tab. Against the General tab, you'll notice that it is only showing a limited amount of information. And on the top right hand corner, you can see a button here to say Show More. When we click it, we will see more information made available. Show More, Show Less is used to give you a personalized view of what you need to see the first time you click on the tab. This can be personalized by pressing Settings, pressing Personalize, and choosing which data you would like to show is either Show Always or Show under Show More. Against the tabs, you can see as you go through the page lots of information that is important for this particular card data, being a customer. On the top right hand corner, there's an I, which stands for Fact Box, and it enables the customer's history to be brought forward in a summative view. Again, you can turn this off by clicking the I. At the very top of the screen, we can see whether this screen right now is editable or in read-only mode. I'm going to click the pencil, and this is going to move the screen to read-only mode. And again, click the pencil, and it turns it to edit mode. To create a new customer card, all we have to do is press the plus. And then to navigate between cards, all we do is press the arrow on the right hand side. Will navigate us backwards and forwards between customer records. That's the end of our tutorial on the card view.